Good morning. It's day 3 on our Dollar Tree Haul 5 for 5 tag challenge. Oh my gosh, I thought this turned out so good. I really got some great buys. And I can use them on quite a few different challenges and quite a few different posts. Okay, I saw this cute little bunny and I said, oh my gosh, I have to have this bunny. So cute. I think I'm going to share all the cute stuffed animals that you can find at Dollar Tree. And the great thing about it is the eyes are stitched in. They're not buttons and you're not a choking hazard. I am really impressed with that. Can't believe that Dollar Tree thought about that. Then I found this super cute sign that says Farmer's Market. Now I do have quite a few miniature garden things to do with farming, and I'm going to use that for one of those, and I'm going to use it for my home interior. It look great on a little tray, tiered tray, don't you think? Perfect. Look how well it stands up on its own. Really, really do enjoy that. When I saw it, I said, oh, I gotta have that piece. Only $1. Can you believe it? And I know a lot of people said last year how much they hate Peeps. But Peeps are one of my favorite, and I bought quite a few of them. Different ones, though. They're not all the same. Since I did have someone say how much they love the party cake, I went ahead and bought one of those. And then I buy a lot of these at Dollar Tree to help with my fairy gardens. And they're clear and red. And I think maybe there's one in there that looks like there might be a blue or something in there, too. Or maybe it's picking the blue up from that. Let me look and see if it's got blue in there. Oh, I guess it's just picking up the blue. Anyway, I use these in my fairy garden all the time for my pals. So I'm going to be doing Alice in Wonderland next month. Going to need a lot of red, and there's red in here. And of course, I'll use the clear ones probably for my fairy pals too. And of course, we have to get some Easter eggs for my my Easter decor that I'm going to be putting together. I've got to have a little bit of goodies in there for the great-grandkids. So I got these, and of course we got the Peeps, but those maybe are more for Grandma, since Grandma loves Peeps. Well, what do you think of what I picked up today? I was very impressed with what I found. Oops, get that back over there where you can see it. I was very happy. Now, I have mentioned this already, but I'm going to keep mentioning it for I can get a pretty good response. I joined in with Diva Decorating, even though I did one of these last month. And I'm doing it again because I had a lot of fun, and I love Diva Decorating. But because I hate to ask people, like put their names out there, because they may not be able to do it. Because I know a lot of us have a lot of posts that we plan ahead on doing. I just happened to have a whole week where I didn't have a lot. So I thought, oh, let me throw this in. This will fill up this space beautifully. And I am going to give anyone that joins in on this a giant shout out on my channel. But you do need to leave me a comment saying, yeah, I'm going to join in, Grandma, and give me some idea about when you're going to join in the next week or two. I don't want it to be more than 2 weeks. I want the post to be up in March for I can do the shout out for March. You don't have to have all 5 done, but you at least have to have 1 done for I can put your name up. So anyone that joins in, I'm giving you a giant shout out for joining in. And I can't wait to see how many of you join in. Keep in mind, you can put up as many as you want. Take that back. I want to get as many as I can get. That's what I meant. Oh my gosh, Grandma's getting senile in her old age. Well, anyway, it's a 5 for 5, 5 videos, 5 items from Dollar Tree. They want you to tag someone, but I'd hate to tag people, so I'm just telling you, if you want to join in, just tell me you're joining in. For your reward for that, I'm giving you a giant shout out. Well, kisses and hugs to all of my awesome friends and family. Don't forget to go over and check out the playlist. Don't forget to go give Diva Decorating a lot of love and support, because that's what we're for, support. Hugs and kisses. Second time around. Love you all so much. Bye-bye for now.